Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss wireless local area network. We have already discussed personal area network and local area network. Wireless local area network uses wireless communication instead of wired communication. If two or more than two devices use wireless communication to form a local area network, it will be called as wireless local area network. A wireless LAN typically have a Wi-Fi router or a wireless access point for wireless devices such as laptop, tablet, wireless desktops, smartphones to communicate. A wireless LAN uses high frequency radio signals, infrared beams, or lasers to speak between the workstation, file servers, or hubs. Now we'll see some of the advantages of wireless LAN. Wireless LAN are completely free of cables. The expense of installing network is not there, and also we do not require a network administrator. Second advantage is scalability. Adding and removing new workstation in wireless local area network is very easy. We just have to turn on the device and give the Wi-Fi password. That's it. You can connect to the Wi-Fi network. Third advantage is mobility. We can easily move the devices within the coverage range because wireless LAN does not involve any physical wire. Now we'll discuss disadvantages of wireless local area network. Wireless LAN uses access points instead of wires and hubs. It requires special devices for this setup. It also requires some specialist staffs for the installation process. Second disadvantage is the transmission speed. A wireless connection cannot exceed the speed beyond 3 megabytes per second, whereas a wired connection can easily achieve 100 megabytes per second or more than that. Therefore, a wireless LAN is less recommended where speed is concerned. Users in wireless LAN need to ensure maximum security by password protection because unauthorized users can easily hack the data that is being transferred in a wireless LAN. A wireless LAN subjected to interferences from various devices which uses frequency. A wireless LAN is capable of covering only a limited range. If the user moves away from this range, the signal deteriorates. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.